My name is Carlos, I'm 29 years old, and I've been snoring since I was in high school. So I am a teacher, so I do this for a living. I have to speak all day, so it's really difficult to me to wake up every morning with a sore throat or really tired. I have an application, so I have been able to listen my snoring, so it's really disturbing. I can wait to compare and measure the before and after the procedure.
So we're done with that back area there. So now I'm just going to kind of come all the way across both sides evenly there, okay?
Okay.
So I'll take a break after each one because that one can be kind of a little bit more time than the others, okay? But
Okay.
you're doing great there.
It didn't feel anything, but I need to breathe. I just got my first procedure, my laser procedure, and I can say that it's really comfortable, and it just tickle a little bit, but nothing to worry about it. And I can wait to sleep tonight and check and measure my app to compare the improvements.